This week's video, we're going to show you how to protect your cooling system in your vehicle, particularly if you're traveling in the outback, going to Cape York. I want to show you how to protect your system. Stay tuned to the end of the video because we've got some great giveaways for you guys from Cyclo Australia. Roll the title. Hey guys, it's Trev from Dirt Road 4x4. This week's video we're going to have a talk about stop leak. Now this stop leak product is made by Autotar. It's part of the Cyclo Australia family of really cool, awesome American products. Now with the stop leak, whether it's a truck, a tractor, a car, our four-wheel drives, absolutely, when you consider how many four-wheel drives are out there towing their caravans, campers, jet skis, boats, you name it. Having a stop leak for your water system is really important to hold in your glove box. Now, it might be a radiator leak, it might be a water hose leak, it might be in the head of your vehicle, there could be some kind of water leak. So having this in your glove box at $5.99 is an absolute no-brainer. Now, how it works, it's an aluminium base, but it has a organic fibre in it which activates when it's exposed to air. So it can actually sit dormant in your radiator till it's actually needed. So this is a really, really cool little product. Now I actually do have a slight leak in my radiator, which we've been looking at getting sorted out. I thought with this arriving this week, I'll add this into the system. I'll show you in a few minutes how I do it, and we'll add this to our system and it'll stop our leakage within our radiator on the Prado. So this is a good bit of gear. You carry your AutoFix recovery scanners, you're carrying your recovery gear. This is just one more item that we all should be carrying, particularly if we're traveling high country, outback, Kimberleys, Cape York. Something to repair a leak in your water system could change your whole trip. So we are a distributor for Cyclo Australia, so we've got the whole range of Cyclo here in our store, from the breakaway to the SOS, the glass cleaner. We use the clay towels, the quick detailer. They've got some amazing products. There's a heap of diesel fuel additives. Cyclo Australia is a really, really good quality brand, and we're proud to be a distributor for Cyclo Australia here in Victoria. This is a product that all you guys traveling should carry in your glove box at $5.99. Let's have a quick look at how I actually put the stop leak into my radiator. So a couple of things to remember. I don't use the reservoir. I'm actually going to load it into the top radiator hose, because if you put it in the reservoir, it may sit there and may not work. So I'm actually going to whack it into the top hose of the radiator. Okay, so I've taken this off. You see it's a powder solution. It's got a organic fibre through it. So I'm going to whack that in there. All empty, beautiful. Now I'm going to whack this back on without losing too much of it. That's better. So I used some multi-grips just to squeeze the clamp so I could move it. So I dropped the top hose and I put the mixture in, the stop leak into the top hose. What I did have to do is make sure when you're pulling the hose on to put the bottom on, hold it tight, because you don't want the mixture to drop out of the hose. And then I've just put it back on to the top point for the radiator. Now when I start the car up, I'll get the car to operating temperature and it'll all flow through the whole system. So this will fix our little leak in our radiator. Now, like I mentioned earlier in the video, we've got some exciting news. We're going to give away 10 of these to you guys. So all you need to do is you definitely like and subscribe, but add a comment to this video, either on our YouTube or on our Facebook page, and we'll deliver one of these out. We'll contact you and get your address, and we'll send this out free of charge. You can put it in your glove box. It's an absolute no-brainer. Anyway, I'm Trev, Dirt Road 4x4. This is auto tar stop leak for your radiators and water system. Come and see us, Dirt Road 4x4, Cyclo Australia, good stuff.